Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rebirth in Grow a Garden new Very update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Very update has just dropped in Grow a Garden and you can see new shop here. You can go to the seed shop and then you can go to this area and then you will see the garden kinds shop here, the garden ascension. And then you can talk to the NPC and then I'm going to click on what are you selling. Okay, and then as you can see that these are the items from the garden kind shop and it needs garden kinds. And to get the garden kinds guys, you need to rebirth in Grow Garden. You can talk to the NPC and then you can click on I want to ascend. Okay, and this is the requirements. You need to have at least 1 trillion shekels to do rebirth in Grow a Garden, and you will need required plants as well. And as you can see, I need beanstalk, the drenched and aurora beanstalk, and the fruit or the plants will be different for everyone. And if you haven't reached the 1 trillion shekels in Grow a Garden, this shop won't appear on your garden. And remember, if you rebirth, you will lose all your shekels. Okay, but you will get garden coins. Okay guys, and that's all the way to rebirth in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.